In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge reports on Expensify. Merging reports can be really helpful when you've accidentally created multiple reports for the same trip, project, or time period, and you want everything organized in one place. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process, and I'll also share a few tips along the way to make things clearer. First, open Expensify and look at the left-hand side of your screen. On the left sidebar, you'll see different sections for things like expenses, reports, and possibly cards or settings, depending on your account. What you want to do here is click on the option labeled Reports. This is where Expensify keeps all of your expense reports, whether they're open, submitted, or closed. Clicking on Reports will bring up a list of your existing reports, usually sorted by date. Once you're on the Reports page, take a moment to find the report that you want to use as your starting point. Think of this as the report you want to move expenses out of, or possibly into another report. Scan through the list and identify the one that contains the expenses you want to merge. When you've found it, click on that report to select it and open its details. You should now see the report name, the list of expenses inside it, and some options or actions you can take on those expenses. Next, look for a small arrow icon beside the expense that you want to move from this report. This arrow is usually located to the right of each individual expense line. Clicking on this arrow opens up more options related to that specific expense. If you don't see it right away, hover your mouse over the expense line to make sure the icon appears. This is how Expensify lets you manage each expense in a more detailed way. After clicking the arrow, a small menu will pop up. From that menu, you want to choose the option called Move Expense. Selecting Move Expense tells Expensify that you'd like to take this particular expense out of the current report and move it into a different one. From there, Expensify will prompt you to choose the destination report, allowing you to combine expenses into a single report and effectively merge them. You can repeat this for any other expenses that need to be moved until everything you want merged is collected into one.